Good morning, everyone. Tuesday morning, 9:15 in the morning, and the traffic is already like this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's crazy, crazy. This is nothing. Yesterday it took me almost a good half hour to get home, which should only have taken me 10 minutes. That's such as it is. But anyway, today, my favorite breakfast place is supposed to be open. So there's where I'm going. There's my mission. See if my favorite breakfast place is open. Cross my fingers, cross my fingers. Look at this, crazy, crazy. Hey, you got a guy on a trike. He wants to block everybody on the right-hand side. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this fun? Isn't this fun? Fun, fun, fun. And once you get to this intersection here, it opens up. Right by our store. Oh, and another thing, I took the car in to find out what the problem was. They hooked it up to the machine, and guess what? The machine said there's nothing wrong. Yeah. So, I have an appointment tomorrow, Wednesday, and they're going to check over a few things. But like I told him, I said, I don't want to replace 100 things, because you think one thing is bad and then we replace it another thing. So we're going to go the cheapest route first, go from there. Yeah, the machine said nothing is wrong. No code came up, nothing. So, fine. Which way do I want to go here? And we'll make a right up here. Still can't drive up Walking Street. I know I always say the Walking Street. You can't drive up Walking Street as of yesterday. I don't know about now. So we'll take this road. Get around this truck. I don't want to look at the back of it. You guys don't want to look at the back of it. There we go. Hopefully it's open. Let's cross our fingers. Cross our fingers. Philly's is open. Envy is open. People sitting outside. Be open, be open, be open. Be open, be open, be open. Drove by yesterday and asked them. They said yes, they're opening today. Are you open? Are you open? No. No Viagra, no Cialis today. Thank you. Is he open? Let me see. Guess we'll find out. All right, guys. So that is what I have been waiting for it to open. Tequila Reef. They open today. They open at 11. 11 to 8 is their hours right now. I actually got here early, so I had left, and now I'm back. But I still got a little bit more time to wait. So I'm going to take a little stroll up here on the Walking Street. I better put my mask up. I was told Kokomo's is now open. Kokomo's is another restaurant up here on the Walking Street. I'm not a big fan of Kokomo's. Nice place to sit and just hang out and people watch. That's what a lot of people do. So let's go see. Yes, they are open. Kokomo's is open here. There's old Kokomo's. Nobody's in there. No face mask, no entry. Hello. You open? What are your hours?
It's 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
9 to 7.
But
Those.
we start at 8.
Oh, you start at 8. Okay. I see you're pretty busy.
Later on.
Later on.
Yeah, later on.
Are the bars open? Are any of the bars open that you know of?
We're this coming Friday. Friday.
That's this coming Friday. That's the Christmas, huh?
So you guys open now?
Yeah, we start yesterday.
I just say that Phillies. What time you open from?
8
8?
a.m.
8 a.m. till...
Till 7 p.m.
7. Yeah.
Okay.
Till 7 to 8 p.m.
It's good to know. People want to know what's open, what's closed, where they can go and sit. So the Christmas is Friday.
Yes.
Friday. Okay. It's all Christmas. It's all Christmas. All right. Now I know you're open. Oh, you have to squirt my hand first. Oh, protocol. Oh, hang on. Protocol.
Or 36.5.
Is that good?
Your pass.
I was just going to walk through.
Okay, no.
Is that okay? Do you still need to squirt my hand?
Oh.
I just want to show everybody that it's open. All right. Protocol. Wow. Wow. All right. All right. Okay. So here it is, Kokomo's, guys. Open for business. You can see they have scattered seating and everything. Protocol. How to go to the protocol. How you doing, buddy? All right. So they are open. All right. All right, guys, so I made it in. I was the very first customer to sign in. First name on the list at Tequila Reef. I know. Little things excite me, right? I sitting outside. I always like to sit outside. I guess unless it's like boiling hot out. I always like to sit outside. Let me show you here, outside here, how they have it set up. Seating. Every other seat, they have a seating here. Let me sneak inside here. Kind of show you inside here. This is the inside. They are open. Every other seating. Look at every other seating. Here it says this side of the table not available for customers. They scan you as you come in, give you the alcohol spray in your hand, and then you got to sign in and book. They have a sign-in book. Me and this fella here we're the first ones in here. He's with his girl, but I'm glad it's open. The door guy, I think I've been bugging him for weeks and weeks. I think it was you. When are you opening? When are you opening? Now he's finally open. So, but yeah, here it is. Tequila Reef is open 8 to 11. 8 to, or 11 to 8, correct? 11 to 8 o'clock. Tequila Reef is open, guys. So yeah, so it's gonna be it's all good. It's all good. Open, finally open. Glad you're open. Another place I seen that was open starting today was Margarita Station. Another one that's 11 to 8. I don't know what the deal is with 11 to 8, and others are allowed to be open earlier. I don't know. But yeah, Margarita Station is open till, I gotta get up there. I don't know. I like Margarita Station. They're pretty good. Got to get up there, see what's going on. I was told, Christmas maybe, I was told that they did some renovation in there. So I don't know. I don't know until I get up there. So anyways, I ordered my usual eggs and bacon. It's 3 eggs, over medium, crispy bacon, home fries with onions, toasted white bread. When they toast it, it's awesome with the butter, and of course, a cup of coffee and a little bit of water. Got to get my water. I'm parched. All right, guys, the meal has arrived. I am so hungry for this. The potatoes look delicious, golden brown, a little bit of onions in there, crispy bacon, 3 eggs over medium, toasted white bread, a little bit of jam and butter. Now, you know what, guys? While I dig in and enjoy this,
you guys are going to enjoy a little time lapse right now.
Personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the
All right, belly is full. I'm a content person. I'm happy. I was talking to the owner, and I asked him why. First of all, the owner's a really nice guy, really friendly guy. And I asked him why they didn't do delivery while all this was going on, while everything was locked down. And he told me he tried for a couple days when everything started here, but he said it just was a hassle, it was a pain. He said, you know, he had a hard time getting into different places to deliver, and then to get people to show up. So he said he did try for a couple days, and then just said that was it. But while they were down, they did a lot of remodeling. The table I was sitting at, they redid that whole table and everything. But hey, don't get me wrong, Look can cook a good breakfast. They got excellent bacon up here at Pinky's, which is on the right hand side. Nice thick cut smoked bacon, thin bacon. Look can cook a good breakfast. But it just, I don't know, you know how it is, you just want to go out to eat. You want to go out to eat. Everything at Tequila Reef there is good. And I was asking around. I asked about the bars, because I know there's people out there, one of the bars opening. Even though they're opening, you still can't get here, right? But I was told Friday that some of these bars are going to reopen. Said Club XS, there's a group called the Wolfpack Group here. They own a lot of bars, they run a lot of bars, and I was told they're going to try to reopen some of their bars. I guess they're going to give it a shot to see what happens. I'm going to cut down this road. They're going to give it a shot to see what happens. If they could survive, who knows? I guess time will tell. Even, you know, like the owner said there at Tequila Reef, I asked him, do you think you'll do okay? You know, because things here definitely are based on tourism. People go, there's a big speed bump. People coming there and staying and eating at all the restaurants and stuff around. He said time will tell, like everything else. Time will tell, and you'll see. When are they going to start allowing international flights? You know, like Joe Blow says, I'm coming up to the Philippines from California, wherever. You know, when is international flights going to be allowed? Time will tell. I don't know. I always tell everybody, check with your travel agent, because I don't know. You know, are they even issuing visas now? I don't know. My understanding, they're not even issuing visas. Did I just do a... because they're directing traffic down. They got the traffic situation here all all messed up. Imagine that, right? But I don't even know if they're issuing visas. You know, travel visas to come here. So even if you can get a flight, even if you get a flight, then you get a visa to get into the Philippines, you know? So that's the latest of what I'm hearing. I guess if more than one person says it, it's Gotta be true. I always say it's 2 or 3 or 4 people. If 2 say no and 3 say yes, then go with the 3. More fun. Look at this traffic coming here. Now it's weird because come the weekend, all this traffic here goes away. But from Monday on to about Wednesday, Thursday, traffic all the time. This is a road that leads down to Marquee Mall. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed my little video. Just giving you a little update of what's going on. You guys stay tuned. We got something awesome coming up. Yeah, awesome. Little chance, let's put it this way. Hannah Grace is gonna get out. I lined something up and we're gonna get out. So stay tuned for that in the upcoming videos. You know, thanks guys for staying with me, watching the videos, enjoying the videos, leaving comments. I just try to update everybody on what's going on. That's all I can do. Some people correct me and I thank you for correcting me. But hey, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. You keep watching my videos, subscribe. Why not? You'll get a notification that my videos are up. And with that, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the elderly, the sick, the young, and that is a wrap.